camera and hello, and if you're getting me from wherever you are, welcome to this live stream. I'm not sure whether I'm live or not, so I'm just testing my everything so that I'm sure we're live. And it's been a while. It's been a long while. I know it's been a month without any action on our Luo English Dictionary page because of things beyond our control. But guess what? We are back. I just want to confirm that we are on all the channels. Now today we are streaming on Facebook, we are streaming on YouTube, and we are also streaming on Twitch. So we are streaming on 3 major channels, and they are all Luo English Dictionary. So I'm just checking whether we are live. If you are, then we'll move on. And then today what we want to do is we want to talk about the 5 Luo words a day, and we are on day number 74. Day 74 of the 5 Luo words a day. So let me just check that we're live. I'm hoping we are live. And if we are, oh, there we go. We are live. Thank you so very much. So let's talk about, first of all, thank you so much, those who've been with us, those who've been asking questions. We have a lot of questions in the inbox. There's a lot of questions that we are going to look at in the next few days. I shall be doing videos that are answering the questions that you've asked. So just hang around, ask more questions on the comment sections. Remember, you can comment on any of the videos. We shall be able to see the comments, and also we'll be able to talk about the questions that you've asked. The other thing is, I would really want to thank those who've been supporting the channel through our YouTube. We have an interface where you can support the channel monthly. I know that we say that we'll do a video to appreciate those who've supported the channel. We have not yet done the video, and actually we've not done any video for the last 1 month. So thank you so very much. And Juliet is asking for the meanings. Yes, Juliet, we are just going into that in a moment. Thank you so very much. And then I just want to say that I really appreciate all that you've done for us for supporting the channel. So today we talk about the 5 words. The first one is Ataro. Ataro. There is Ataro and Ataro. So I will differentiate the 2 of them. Then there is Atawiye, Ategno, and Atego. So what is Ataro? So Ataro. Ataro. Ataro is an adverb. It's an adverb, and it means recumbently or supinely on the back. You know, when you're sleeping and your head is on the pillow, like this image here, this image. So that is called Ataro. So you say Anindo Ataro. Anindo Ataro means I'm lying recumbently, like this image is lying. But also Ataro might mean when there's this type of bicycle that you can ride while you're facing the sky, you know. So that means ndiga ma inyalo riembo ataro. Ndiga ma inyalo riembo ataro. So that means a bike that you can ride recumbently. So when you're facing the sky, that's a bike that you can ride. So ataro means lying on your back and facing the sky. Then there is the other Ataro, And this Ataro it actually means unending. When you're comparing quantity, it means unending. Unending, that is when you're comparing quantity. But we usually use it for the sea, because the sea is unending. I mean, if you look at the ocean or the sea, Indian Ocean is unending. So you say Nam Mar Ataro. Nam Mar Ataro means the unending sea or the unending mass of water. Nam Mar Ataro. So those are the two meanings of Ataro. Then number 3, the third word is Atawiye. Atawiye. Atawiye means on the spot or at the outset. On the spot or at the outset. So when something happens, immediately you start. You know, when it happens immediately, you start. For example, in a boxing match, if someone has been knocked out, immediately the match started, then you would say Ogoye Atawiye. That means he knocked him even before he could come up with an idea of how to fight back. Atawiye. Atawiye is at the outset or on the spot. At the outset or on the spot. Atawiye. Our fourth word is Ategno. Ategno. And Ategno is really about Ategno is someone who is middle-aged. Is middle-aged. Middle-age, I think, starts from the 40s to the 55s, I think. That would be middle-age. So if you're middle-aged, then you're someone who is Ategno. Okay? In a sentence, I would say, Won owino hike Ategno. Won owino hike Ategno. So that means Owino's dad, Owino's father is a middle-aged man. Or even if you are describing a scene, for example, you're describing and the police ask you, they would ask, how did she look like? Ne ochalonade. You know, how did she look like? How did he look at? Ne en ngat machalonade. Then you'd say, ne en woima Ategno. Ne en woima Ategno means they are middle-aged. Middle age is a big number, so you cannot talk about either 40, 35. Some people say middle age is 35. We can't get into those logistics. Then the last one of the day is Atego. Atego. Atego is a species of trees, and this species of trees is it's not the one on the picture though. It's not the one on the picture, but it's a species that has a shade. So it's called Atego. I think in future we are going to look at how to incorporate tree species in a video, so that we just put all the videos together for tree species and their Luo equivalent names. So in a sentence you can say Ayueyo eboyen mar Atego. Ayueyo eboyen mar Atego. So that means I'm taking a nap under an Atego tree. Ayueyo eboyen mar Atego. Great. So that's it. Those are the 5 words for today. And if you have questions, you can post them on the comment section. I'll be able to see either in whether you're on Facebook, on Twitch, or on YouTube. Please post your questions on the comment section. And we shall now resume our 5 Luo words a day. I'm hoping that we shall do videos from tomorrow onwards. They will always post at about 12 o'clock my time. 12 o'clock my time is about 7 p.m. Kenyan time. East African time is 7 p.m. and Europe time is about 6 p.m. or something like that. So please look out for videos of the 5 Luo words a day. Ask questions, give comments, and also we shall resume our normal videos, the videos that we used to do like 3 months ago. No, not 3 months, but 4 months ago, where I was with my daughter and we were talking about conversations and things and verbs and adverbs and all that. We are looking at reviving that because we shall be a little free this month and we want to push out a lot of content. And I'm very happy that most of you are now starting to appreciate the Luo language and how the Luo language is helping you and your kids to communicate and you to communicate with someone else and things like that. So otherwise, thank you so much, and I want to end the live stream now. I'll wait for about 2 minutes. If there's no question, then I'll just end and then we'll come back maybe tomorrow. So keep doing what you're doing. And for the fathers out there, happy Father's Day. In Luo, you can say Chieng Janyuol Maber. Happy Father's Day would be Chieng Janyuol Maber. Father are parents, so they will just fall under Janyuol. I don't know. I don't think I ever heard of a Father's Day or a Mother's Day in the Luo setup. I don't know why I didn't hear of that. I only started hearing of this quite recently. And if we had such a setup, I don't know what we would have done. I know there would have been a special name for the day. But now that we don't have a special name, we shall just look for the Janyuol. So please wish your father a happy Father's Day. Thank you, Anne. Anne is saying happy Father's Day. And everybody else, thank you so very much. Happy Father's Day for everyone who is listening or watching. If you missed it, if you missed we just talked about 5 words: Atego, Ategno, Atawiye, Ataro, and Ataro. Ataro means recumbently. In a sentence, you can say Anindo Ataro or Ndega ma inyalo riembo Ataro. Then you can also say Ataro. Ataro means an ending in quantity, for example, for a sea or an ocean. Nam mar Ataro. Then the third word is Atawiye. And Atawiye is at the outset or on the spot. Nene ogoe Atawiye. So he was knocked out on the spot. And then the fourth one is Ategno or Ategno. And Ategno is someone who is middle-aged. So you can say Owino's father is middle-aged by saying Won Owino, Hike Ategno. Hey, this is not Won Owino. I just got this picture from the internet. I'm sorry if you're not Won Owino. And finally, we talked about Atego. Atego is a species of trees. I hope this gives you a great day. And continue learning. Have a great day and wonderful week. Oriti.